Hello, so in this video I will discuss date functions in Excel. So in this video I will explain how you can calculate your age in years, months and days in Microsoft Excel. So this is my Excel data. As you can see, here I am getting the date of birth, and here I have used today function for getting the today date. So now I will find age in years. So for that I will use date diff function, and I will select this one, comma this one. Okay, and I want to calculate the age in years. I want to calculate the difference in years, so I will use y here. Okay, so date difference, this one, comma this one, and comma y, and I press enter. So age in years is 30, as you can see on your screen. Now I want to find age in months, so I will use date difference. Again I will use date difference. I will select this one, comma this one, and this time I will use ym, and if I press enter, it will show the difference. You can see 30 years and 4 months is the difference. Okay, you can have an idea from here. 18 January 1992 and 3 June 2022. Here the difference in months is 4. And if I want to find the difference in days, I will use date difference, and then this one, comma this one, and this time I will use MD. Okay, so if you want to find the age in days, you will use MD and press enter, and it will show the difference in days. 16, you can have an idea from here. 18 January, so 18 plus 13, okay, 31, and 3, 18 plus 13 and 3 more, so 13 plus 3, 16. Okay, so next is if you here you are getting a effective months. Okay, and if you want to find the difference in total months, then you will use date difference, and then this one, comma here today, and now you will use only M, because you want to find the total months between these two dates, and press enter. You can see 364 is the total months between this date of birth and today's date. And if you want to find the total difference in total days, then you will use date difference. Again this cell, comma this cell, and now you will this cell, comma this cell, and here you will use days. For days you will use D and press enter. So this is the difference between the days. So again I repeat, here I have used Y for calculating the difference in years, for finding the months, as you can see ym, and for finding the days I am using MD. And if you want to find the total months, you will use M only, and if you want to find total days, you will use D only. See here the total months are 364. Okay, and you can easily calculate from here also. 30 years, so 30 into 12 is 360, and 360 months from here, and 364 months. So here you are getting 364 months if you are using m as a parameter, and if you are using ym parameter, then you will find you will see months 4, because years you have already calculated, and here you are calculating the effective months and effective days. Now next thing is very important. If you want to find the age in years, months and days, then what you will do, you will use this formula. There is no SS formula, there is no one formula for calculating this. I will combine all the formula, I will combine these three formulas. I will combine this formula and for calculating the years, for calculating the months, for calculating the days, I will combine all these formulas. So how I will do this? See, so I will use date difference. Okay, so date difference, this one, okay, comma, today date, okay, and first of all y for years, okay, and then I will use this sign, ampersand sign, and here I will write years, then comma, then double quotes closed. Okay, so it will return me the number of years. So for example 35 years, and then I want to find the months, then again I will use date difference and this one, comma, today date, okay, and I will use ym, okay, and I will close this formula, and then I will write this ampersand sign, and here in the double quotes I will use months, okay, and double quotes closed. So till this point I will get, for example, 35 years 3 months, okay, and now I want to find the days, then I will use date difference. You can see this cell, comma, this cell, and now in the days I will use, for the days I will use md, okay, and bracket close, and then I will use ampersand. Now I will write days, bracket close, double quotes closed, and I will press enter. So see, first of all I have calculated the years, for example 35 years. I am combining, okay, I am combining all. If here I must write this symbol ampersand, okay, and again here I need to write ampersand. So this is the formula. So 35 years, for combining I am using this ampersand symbol, and if I press enter, you can see, so 35 years 2 months 17 days, okay, and if you want to add some space, you can add the space and save it. So 35 years 2 months 17 days. And if I change the date from here, suppose I change the date, I change 30, let's say 12 May and 1990, and it will be changed 32 years 0 months and 22 days. If I change the months from here, 31 years 9 months 22 days. So very simple formula I have explained. So write the formula very carefully, because there may be some mistake in typing this formula. So again you can see in the formula bar. Okay, so that's all for this video. I have already explained the important date functions in my previous lecture. Okay, you can get get the link in the description box. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.